Well, hello and welcome back to the Shallow Proclamation. My name's Thomas.
And my name's Paul.
And I have a bit of a treat video today, Paul. So this is an experiment that I did at the weekend. I basically discovered how to make... Shush. I basically discovered how to make any scene from Doctor Who even scarier. This is a scary scene from Doctor Who that you'll definitely recognise.
Okay.
And I'm going to show you before, and then I'm going to show you it after I've made a tweak to it. So Here we go.
Okay.
So you know this, of course. This is
of course.
Absolute classic. All right, so so I hope you took that in. And this is after I've made a simple tweak, which I think makes it even scarier.
Okay.
I'm gonna spend my Christmas with a Dalek and hug him underneath the mistletoe. And if he's very nice, I'll feed him sugar spice and hang a Christmas stocking from his big left toe.
So just to explain to viewers, this is the song that you showed me last week that was recorded in the 1960s called I'm Gonna Spend My Christmas with a Dalek. And when you showed it to me, I had two reactions. The first was, this is terrible and annoying. But my second reaction was, this is actually quite scary. Because there's something about taking a song that's sort of overly jolly and putting it alongside a scary scene. It kind of makes it even scarier. It's kind of an ironic thing and also slightly patronising and creepy. It's kind of been overdone in a way you get in a lot of horror films. Ring a rose with like nursery rhymes and stuff. So you can see where this is going. So that's one example. Here is another scene from Doctor Who.
My name's the Doctor.
My name's the Doctor.
Okay, can you stop?
Okay, can you stop?
Bit of a midnight. Great episode.
Great episode.
Why's she doing
Which I'm
Probably
about to ruin.
one of the scariest.
Stop
Yeah.
it. I said stop it.
I don't think she can.
So this is of course the
This
original.
isn't fun. Stop it. This isn't fun.
Do you know that guy in the middle, the old dude, is actually Patrick Troughton's son?
No way.
Yeah.
I was going to say as well, Blink, I'd forgotten it was Carey Mulligan.
Yeah.
That's crazy. She's massive now, isn't she? Okay, so that's the original.
I don't think you should comment on her weight, Thomas.
Right, yeah.
She's also married to the singer from Mumford and Sons.
Oh,
Marcus
really?
Mumford.
Oh, I didn't know.
No accounting for taste, is there really? But
You don't like Mumford and Sons?
I know.
Well, that's a whole different video. I will wait for you to do that. All right, so this is after the tweak. And I've maybe made a few more changes here to try and make the song part of the story rather than something that's just playing in the background. So here we go.
Okay.
My name's the Doctor.
My name's the Doctor.
Okay, can you stop?
Okay, can you stop?
I'd like you to stop.
I'd like you to stop.
Why's she doing that?
Why's she doing that?
She's gone mad.
She's gone mad. Stop it. Stop it. I said stop it. I said stop it.
I don't think she can.
I don't think she
All right, now stop it. This isn't
can.
fun.
No, stop it. This isn't funny.
The record player of death there.
It's been a busy bank holiday for you then.
I have had a lot of time on my hands here. So then I did the same again on another scene from Doctor Who.
Okay.
I mean, if this place is all lit up, we wouldn't be worried at all.
Rory, panicking a bit.
Yeah, sorry.
Please, keep them away from the...
I'd forgotten about this episode. This is actually really horrific, isn't it?
Night Terrors.
Yeah.
Season 6, yeah?
Like, look at this. This is
Yeah, this
genuinely horrible. So you ask yourself, how could that possibly be even scarier?
Panicking. A bit.
I think I know.
Yeah, sorry.
I'm gonna spend my Christmas with a Dalek and hug him underneath the mistletoe. And if he's very nice, I'll feed him sugar spice and hang a Christmas stocking from his big left toe. And when we both get up on Christmas morning,
Oh, that final turn.
Oh dear. Dear.
Yeah, so I guess with that one, I muted the sound from the episode while the song was playing, partly because there was music, so it kind of didn't
Bit of a
work.
clash.
Maybe it makes it scarier. I don't know. Obviously, this is a bit of fun. You're probably thinking this isn't actually making it scarier, but hopefully you can see that when this song is used in this sort of context, it takes on a very different quality.
Yeah.
And
I mean, it was horrifying enough.
can't bear to hear it. All right, so I have one more scene that I've done
Okay.
this to that I've absolutely butchered.
hear anything.
Okay, listen. Good story.
Don't look at it.
Great episode.
Don't look around.
A
I
young
think one of the
Rupert
best
Grint.
episodes from the modern era.
Yeah, absolutely. Super strong.
I don't know.
I love a bit of Capaldi. I do like Capaldi.
Oh, he's so good.
You too, Clara. Give
He
it what
might
it
be my
wants.
favourite modern era Doctor.
No
Prove
way,
to it
really.
that You're
Yeah.
not going to look at it. Make a promise. Promise you're never going to look at it.
I can't hear anything.
Look away now. Don't look at it.
Don't look at the record player.
What is it?
Imagine a thing.
It's a record player.
You've seen. What would it do if you saw it?
I don't know.
Neither do I. Close your eyes.
What?
Close your eyes. You too, Clara. Give it what it wants. Prove to it that you're not going to look at it. Make a promise.
Yeah, if you think about the lyrics of the song as well, I mean, it's quite disturbing that this child has invited a Dalek in for Christmas and sort of giving it Christmas dinner and stuff. And you're thinking the people who wrote the song clearly don't know much about the Daleks.
It's clearly a money spinner.
It made me think in general about the use of music in horror films and TV in general. And this is kind of a trope that you can trace through. So I'll just show you some quick examples. This is, of course, Jaws. And they have a sort of...
Yeah.
They're singing this
Classic.
very upbeat song, and then the shark
One of
begins
my-
to attack again.
One of my favourite films of all time, Jaws.
Really? Yeah.
Yeah. I think it's a classic.
And of course, The Shining, you've got this ballroom scene, which, taken out of context, isn't that creepy, but it has that feel. Midsommar has this very happy, lullaby-like soundtrack, but it's very horrific what's going on. And it's also set during the day. This recent Jordan Peele film did a similar thing. Look, the record player...
Yeah.
I was onto something there. Music stopping is creepy. Yeah, this technique has actually been used in Doctor Who as well, including the Christmas special. You know, the one about dreams with Santa?
Yes. They listen to the Christmas song, don't they?
Yeah, it's Slade, Merry
Slade,
Christmas, everyone. So that very upbeat song is playing while she's kind of walking into a room with all those bodies under the covers and stuff. So, yeah, Christmas music, upbeat Christmas music in a horror context is clearly something you can do. And so you showing me that song kind of made me think of that. But that's what I spent the bank holiday weekend doing.
And time well spent, clearly. So
Yes, so do let us know, viewers, if you have any more examples from film or TV, or indeed Doctor Who, using music in an ironic way, using upbeat music during a scary scene.
you have Sound of Drums, don't you?
Yes.
Here come the drums. Here come the drums. Here come the drums.
Yeah, that's
Yeah.
true, actually.
So
Yeah.
there you go.
Yeah. Yeah, we need to
Whilst
compile
the world
that.
is being destroyed, you know.
Yeah, well, thanks, guys. Do subscribe if you'd like to stay in the loop with what we do. Normally, we're reacting to episodes from Doctor Who and extra related media. And then this is a sort of occasional experiment. So, thanks for watching, and see you next time.
Bye-bye.